Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Whatever time it may be in the Philippines or in the United States, I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening to one and all. They say that you can take away a Filipino from the Philippines, but you can never, ever take away the Philippines from the Filipino. It is in this context that I send this message today to our beloved Vice President of the Philippines, Leni Robredo. No matter how far away we Filipinos are from the Philippines, you and our country remain in our hearts. We remain faithful to the ideals of good governance. I come to you today, dear Leni, with a plea to carry on and uphold this faith in good governance. We ask that you continue your service to our people, and we stand behind you with our steadfast and full support. You have our assurance that you will get our full support from Filipinos here in the United States and abroad. This is an act of love for country, for the Filipinos who hunger for incorruptible leadership. Through you, we have a voice. Through you, we can channel our aspirations for a better Philippines. Your genuine and sincere service has been very evident for the past 4 or almost 6 years. Please continue doing it, because especially now with the recent passing of the late President Benigno Aquino III, it has become even more imperative for good leadership. Our Filipinos need you. Again, please continue your support to our people. We wish you good health, energy, wisdom, fortitude, and the desire to give it your all, as our late president did. You are needed, Leni. Please continue to serve. Thank you. May God bless you, and may God bless the Philippines. Maraming salamat.